Hello friends, how to adding domain manage engine desktop central. In this section, the first step after manage engine desktop central installation is adding domain or workgroup. Click to admin, select domain, click to add domain, select Active Directory, enter the domain information. It is moderate to filter in the domain name fields, NetBIOS name or Pred 2000 name information is entered. Domain username. In the domain username section, an account will domain admin authority you must be defined. This account will be managed with the computer on the domain. My suggestion is open a service account with the domain admin authority. Enter the password. AD domain name, the name of the Active Directory domain is entered. Domain controller name, your domain control computer name. Add domain. The second step is add the computer name are located or Active Directory after adding the domain. Click to admin. Click admin. Son policy. Enable checkbox dedek and add new computer. After this option is enabled, it provided automatically agent installation to computer on Active Directory. If only alert is enabled, it will be notification you. The delete inactive computer checkbox is activated. Computer automatically remove objects that have been removed from Active Directory or have not been used along and provided information to the system. Enter information. Configure alert screen. Click to save. In the schedule system settings selection, it performed a daily organization unit scan on the Active Directory and new objects are directed. In the domain organization unit selection, select the organization to be scanned. The notification settings determines the address to which notification go. Click OK. Enter email addresses. You must email server settings configuration. After, click to save. Thank you for watching this video.